Hey, welcome to the show. Today on the show, I have a really cool ring light for your smartphone, and I'm going to tell you all about it. Stay tuned. All right, let's do a quick unboxing of this ring light to see what we're getting in the package. So here we have a tripod for the ring light. Comes with some instructions. Has a USB cable right here. And it looks like a pretty good size cable. So this will hook into your computer or, hello kitty, it'll hook into your computer or your USB charger on your wall mount. So I like the fact that it has a really good size long cable here. And this part right here for your phone, it is bendable, so you can form it in different directions that you're going to need to place your phone into your light. So let's go ahead and screw that in. So I have a pretty big phone. It's the Galaxy S20 Ultra, and this attachment right here is able to hold onto it pretty secure. So it's all set up, all ready to go. All right, let's go do some testing with it and see what you think about it. All right, welcome back. Right now I am filming in my green screen room, and I don't have any lights on right here, but in the background I do have a light way in the back there. And I have my phone right in the middle of this ring light. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the remote control to show you what that looks like. And I have the white LED light on right now with the ring light. It is at full strength, and I'm going to do the remote control, and I'm going to make that a little bit less. So here we go. And right now it is at the lowest setting. Now with a ring light, you'll get like a white circle in your eyes. I'll take off my glasses so you can see that. And I'm going to put this back at full strength, so you can see here. So you can see the white circle in my eyes. Now this also has different colors, so I'm going to go ahead and click here. This is kind of a cool color and a warmer color right there. I like the white LED light. That's my preference that I like, and I love it. I also like that you don't have to have it at full strength. So I'm going to bring that down here. And this also comes with a remote control, so you don't have to be using this. So the remote control is Bluetooth, so you can hook it up that way. I like how light and portable this light is. I would recommend getting yourself a different tripod, a light stand for this. I like this Gorilla type of little tripod right here, and that will allow you to attach this ring light to different things. And so this is kind of cool. But if you're traveling, you can easily put this in your luggage, you know, and take it different places. So this is really cool. I love how great the light is at full strength. I mean, look at that. This is full strength. Wow, this is pretty cool. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. I will have a link for this down below where you can find it on Amazon. I love how small and portable it is. It's going to be fun making some very creative videos with this. Also, make sure you subscribe, and like always, have a fun day. Adios. Bye-bye.